How's it going, YouTube? Okay, this is going to be a quick and dirty kind of YouTube video because I'm not a professional, you know what I mean? Videographer and stuff. The camera is a piece of junk and whatever. Anyways, here is a Scott Peak, and it is rusted. It's rusted out. It's rusted out. And anyways, I got it super cheap, and I just finished pressure washing it about a half an hour ago. I just the chain's been in here for half an hour, and I'm just about to take it apart and see what I can do. Anyways, hopefully it's better than what it is at the end. So yeah, it's just got cheap parts on it. You know, I don't even know what that is. Some cheap Shimano. That is a Shimano Tourney. That's a 7-speed. Shimano V brakes. These are pretty cool. These are like some kind of combo lever. Whatever. Anyways, it's not gonna be an ASMR video. It's just, here's the start. I'm gonna tear it down. I'll turn it back on when I know more. There's my other bikes. Cool. See you in a bit. Okay. Part 2 of this Scott bike here. I got it tore down. This frame is rusty. This frame's rusty. That's bad. That's bad. Whatever. That's well, there won't be a water bottle cage going on here. Frame turned out alright. I still have to SOS pad, scrub it. Here's all the parts. You wouldn't believe the amount of dirt, grease, and grime, dirt caked on everything. Scrub. I spent most of the night just scrubbing. Like, that was white before. Yeah. It's good enough for me. This is a flip bike, so I'm not going to spend a whole bunch of time, but it's cleaned. Anyways. Shit, last night I watched 3 horror movies. Drank a bunch of beer. A friend came over. Took me 3 movies to get this far. Anyways, okay, yeah, that's it. Okay, part 3 update. I took the bike outside with a drill and a wire wheel, and just quickly, I wasn't like, just the chunky stuff. Clean that up. Came in, I put my fork back on, re-greased all that stuff, headset, put the brakes on, front and back brakes. Then, just a couple minutes ago, I wasn't going to, but I did. Rust converter. I sprayed there, a little bit there. See what it does. Oh, front derailleur's on now. I've been staring at the wheels. I don't want to clean. That's what I have to do next. Clean those. Sorry, I've been like fighting a sneeze here. Jesus. Okay. Clean the wheels. That's next, I think. And I still got Still got those to put on. Yeah. There's part 3 update.